Hey everyone, welcome back to the Easy English Podcast.
Hey, what's up, guys? Good to have you here again.
John, how are you doing today?
I'm doing really good, honestly. Feeling relaxed today. How about you?
Same here. I feel calm and also a little excited
Oh, really? Why excited?
because today's topic is very close to real life, something we talk about all the time.
That's true. It's a big one.
So today we're talking about daily life English.
Yeah, and especially we talk about free time and hobbies.
This is that topic people ask you without even thinking.
Exactly. Like when you meet someone and there's a small silence.
Yes. And then someone says, "So, what do you do in your free time?"
Classic question.
By the way, if you enjoy these real conversations, make sure to like the episode
Subscribe to Easy English Podcast.
and share it with someone who enjoys casual English talks.
So, Elisa, let me ask you something. What do you usually do in your free time?
It depends on the day, honestly.
Oh, yeah? Like how?
On weekdays after work, I don't do anything too crazy. I usually stay at home.
Same here. Home feels nice after a long day.
Exactly. I make some tea, sit on the sofa, and just relax.
That sounds perfect, actually.
Yeah, sometimes I watch a series, sometimes I read.
What kind of series do you like?
I like drama and light comedy. Nothing too heavy.
Same. I don't want stress after work. I'm more into movies than series.
Really? What kind of movies?
Action movies mostly, and sometimes comedy.
Ah, action movies. Explosions, car chases.
Yes, exactly that.
Do you watch movies alone or with friends?
Mostly alone during the week, but on weekends with friends.
That's nice. Movie nights are fun.
Yeah, especially with snacks.
Snacks are very important. Okay, John. Are you more of an indoor person or outdoor person?
I think both, but mostly outdoor.
Oh, nice. What do you do outside?
I like walking in the evening. It helps me clear my mind.
That's actually really good.
Yeah, and sometimes I play football with friends.
Football? I didn't know that.
Yeah, not professionally, of course, just for fun.
Of course. I'm terrible at football.
Really?
Yes, I try, but it's not for me.
That's okay. Not everyone has to like sports. So you like staying home more.
Yes, I think so.
What do you usually do at home?
I like cooking sometimes.
Oh, wow. What do you cook?
Simple food. Pasta, rice, easy stuff.
That's still impressive.
Not really. But cooking relaxes me.
I get that. For me, music does that.
Oh yeah? What kind of music do you like?
Mostly soft music, sometimes pop, sometimes old songs.
Old songs are the best.
Right? They have a different feeling.
Do you listen to music while working?
Yes, especially when I'm tired.
Same. Music changes the mood.
Exactly. One good song and boom, energy.
Okay, John, be honest. How much time do you spend on your phone?
Too much.
Same here.
Scrolling, watching short videos,
Yes, you open your phone for 1 minute.
and suddenly it's 1 hour.
So true.
But I try to control it.
Same. I tell myself, okay, last video.
And then 5 more videos.
Exactly.
Do you meet friends often in your free time?
Not every day, mostly on weekends.
Same. Weekdays are too busy.
When we meet, we just talk, eat, laugh.
That's the best kind of free time.
Yes, no plans, no pressure.
Just good company.
You know what? Sometimes I do nothing.
That's important too.
I just sit and think or look outside.
That's actually very peaceful.
Yes, Free time doesn't mean you must be busy.
True. Sometimes rest is the hobby.
I love that sentence.
So yeah, free time looks different for everyone.
Some people like movies,
Some like sports,
some like staying home,
and some like doing nothing at all.
and all of that is totally fine.
All right, that was a nice talk.
Yeah, very relaxed.
If you enjoyed this casual conversation,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
and tell us in the comments,
What do you do in your free time?
we'll continue this chat in the next part.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.